ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्धदामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः।
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः।
अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः।
संजय उवाच
संजय उवाच
एतच्छ्रुत्वा वचनं केशवस्य
वचनं केशवस्य
कृताञ्जलिर्वेपमानः किरीटी नमस्कृत्वा भूय एवाह कृष्णम् सगद्गदं भीतभीतः प्रणम्य We saw this shloka the last class. Up to this we saw 35th shloka, 17th to 34th shloka. Not 17th. In fact, it is even before. Arjuna Uvacha, starting from It is from the shloka number, just 15th to 34. Arjuna Uvacha. Then there's one shloka in between. Sanjaya Uvacha. Again Arjuna Uvacha comes. Etat Shrutva. Having listened to the words of the Lord Keshavasya. Keshavasya Vachanam Shrutva. Keshava is Lord Krishna, Bhagavan, Krishna. Krishnasya Anyanama Keshava. That is one Subhashitam, nice Subhashitam is the Subhashitam, just a funny Subhashitam. Keshavam patitam drishtva Pandavaha Arshanirvaraha Rudanti Kaurava Sarve Haha Keshava Keshava. Nice Subhashitam. I was teaching some other class. I remember this now. Keshavam. It's not connected to Gita, but you can understand. I can show you that Subhashitam also. Not connected to Gita. Just see the Subhashita. It looks Keshavam patitam drishtva Pandavaha Arshanirvaraha Rudanti Kaurava Sarve Haha Keshava Keshava. So literal meaning if you take Keshavam patitam drishtva, having seen the Keshava who has fallen. Pandavas are happy. They are filled with Arshanirvaraha, filled with happiness. What about Kauravas? Sarve Kauravaha Rudanti Haha Keshava Keshava. All the Kauravas are crying. What is this shloka? Keshava, the Lord, is in favor of Pandavas, in fact. Without Keshava, there could not be victory for Pandava. Pandava would have lost, definitely lost. Though they may be Dharmika, Dharma is on their side. They would have lost. But this shloka looks, it seems to be mocking at Lord Krishna by the Pandavas. That is not the meaning. Here, that's why it's a tricky shloka. K, Shavam you have to split. K is water. Ka is water. K is Saptami of Ka Shabda. Water. Seeing the Shava falling into the K, the water, that is river. Seeing the Shava, K Shavam patitam drishtva. Shavam, body falling into the river, having seen that. Pandavaha means Matsyaha, Meenaha ityartaha. They are happy because they got one body for the food, for the dinner today. Pandavaha, Meenaha, fishes are happy because they got their food. Whereas Kauravaha, referring to wolves, they rudanti, haha, we have lost our food. So that is the meaning. So this is a nice shloka, not connected with Gita. So Keshava means I suddenly remember this Keshavasya, but here Keshava is Lord Krishna. Okay. So Keshavasya Vachanam Shrutva Kritaha Anjalihi Yena Saha Kritanjalihi, referring to Arjuna, and Vepamanaha is trembling. Vepamanaha Kiriti. Kiriti is the one who wears Kiritaha Syastik, one who wears a crown. And with folded hands is trembling. Vepamanaha Shanach. Atmanipati Vepate Vepatuscha Sharire me also. Vepate Vepete Vepante Shanach. Vepamanaha San Kiriti Kritanjalihi Arjunaha. Keshavasya etat vachanam shrutva, then what does it do? Krishnam namaskrutva, having saluted the Lord Krishna, namaskaram krutva. How many times? Puya eva, again and again. Sagadgatam bhita bhita pranamya. Sagadgadam, Sagadgadam is karma visheshana. It is kriya visheshana. Kriya visheshanam adverb. Kriya visheshanasya karmatvam ishyate. Napumsaka dvitiya vachanantatvam ekavachanatvam cha. We saw in our karaka Sagadgadam is kriya visheshanam adverb. That is why dvitiya vibhakti Sagadgadam bhuya eva pranamya. Bhuya eva pranamya namaskritva, having saluted etachrutva. Sagadgadam is adverb. Sagadgadam, Dvitya Vibhakti is Sagadgadam. Krishnam namaskritva. Bhita bhitaha. Punah punaha Bhayavishta chetaha bhitaha. So, pranamya, having saluted the Lord. So, gadgadena sagitaha yata bhavati tata bhavati sagadgadam iti kriya visheshanam. It is. As we saw, mandam gacchati. Yata mandam gacchati. Yata mandam bhavati tata gacchati iti mandam. Manda shabda. As adverbial. Similarly here also. Gadgadena sagadgadam. Gadgadena tena saha vartate iti sadgadam. Sagadgadam is saha vartate. Saha vartate means gadgadena vartate iti sagadgadam. Therefore, gadgadena sagitaha yata bhavati tata sagadgadam iti kriya visheshanatvat. Vidya. Gad means to speak. So he spoke. How does it spoke? The voice which is shaking voice. Having saluted the Lord, then Arjuna speaks. Arjuna says. That is the next shloka. Let us read from here. Arjuna uvacha.
Arjuna uvacha.
Sthane rishikesha tava prakirtya.
Hrishikesha tava prakirtya.
Jagat praghrishyat yanurajyate cha.
Prakrishyate cha.
Rakshamsi bhitani disho dravanti.
Bhitani disho dravanti.
Sarve namasyanti cha siddha sanghaha.
Sarve namasyanti cha siddha.
Starting from here, 36th shloka. This portion is generally chanted as a prayer. Even we can be included in our daily upasana as a prayer. Because it's a prayer. Arjuna prays to the Lord. Though Arjuna uvacha, it is Arjuna prartayati, prartanam karoti. So he says, Hey Rishikesha, tava prakritya jagat pragrishyati anurajyate cha. Rakshamsi bhitani rakshamsi dishaha dravanti. Sarve siddha sangaha cha namasyanti, namaskaram kurvanti. So here Arjuna says, now I understand why people do namaskara to you. Namaskaram, kimartam namaskaram kurvanti janaha, because that is surrender. Surrendering completely to the Lord, understanding that Ishvara is all glorious. So our free will is nothing. So submitting our free will at the will of the total will. That is surrender. That is sharanam. Sharanagati. Therefore, stane means it is proper. Yuktam, stane, it is proper. Hey Rishikesha, Rishikanam Ishaha, Rishikesha. Indriyanam Adishaha, Rishikeshaha. Indriyadishaha, Ityartaha. Stane is aviyam, meaning Yuktam, it is proper. What is proper? Why people do namaskara to you? That is proper. Because the small free will is nothing compared to the total you. Therefore, submitting the ego, the small will, unto the total will. That is Sharana. So everything happens according to the wish of the Lord. That is understanding. So our will is what will we have? The free will. That's why free will gets suspended in the altar of prayer. That is the time your free will is suspended. Taba te prakirtiya prakrishtaya kirti mahatmyam Ishvarasya mahatmyam tava prakirtiya by the glory of you, by your glory, tava prakirtiya, by glorifying you, tava kirtanena, by glorifying you, tava prakirtiya kirtanena prakatanena jagat, this charatmakam jagat, the jagat, this the jagat pragrishyati anurajyate cha, jagat pragrishyati, jagat pragrishyati anurajyate cha. Pragrishyati means prasadati, anandam prapnuvanti. Anurajyate, snigyati. So this jagat, this jagat means this world, the world consisting of chara, achara. So here the world, all the beings, all the people, pragrishyati, they rejoice. Anurajyate, they are devoted to you. Anurajyate. Pragrishyati, santushyati, jivaha santushyati. The jagat, charatmakam jagat, there, this charatmakam, that is jantavaha, praninaha, pragrisyanti. By your prakirti, by singing by glorifying you. Tava sankirtanena, prakatanena, pragrisyanti, santosham prapnuvanti, and also they are devoted to Tvayi, anurajyate, anuraktam, Tvayi, anurajyati. They are devoted to you. Tvayi, anurajyati. So you can see Tvayi is Saptami Vibhakti. When you, the love or the emotion what you have is for whom? That person that will take this apart, that is Saptami Vibhakti. Tvayi anurajyate. It is understood Tvayi, in you. In you they are devoted. Snigyati. And what about the Rakshasas? They are frightened. Rakshasas are adharmika. So this Sajjanaha Pragrisyanti Anurajyante cha. Anurajyanti cha. And Rakshasaha, they are Bhitani. Who are Rakshasa? Rakshasa, the word is different. If you see it is derived from the Asudhatu. Asushu, Indriyarteshu, Ramante. They are Rakshasas. Ramante iti Rakshasaha. So they are Asuras. Rakshasa is Asura. Asu, the word if you take, Asu, not Rakshasa. This is the Shabda is Rakshaha, Rakshasi, Rakshamsi. Sakaranta Shabda. Bhagavachanam Rakshamsi, like Vasaha, Vasasi, Vasamsi, Yedan. So Rakshamsi is Asuraha. The Asu, the word, Asuraha, that is Asushu, Ramante, iti Asuraha. So the same thing, Rakshamsi also. They are Bhitani, they are frightened. Therefore, what they do? Dishaha Dravanti, Dishaha. Dishaha. That is also karma, it is karma. Disham, Ashtau Dishaha, Sarvaha. Ashtau dishaha dravanti, radраvanti, they run, fighting, they run, they scattered, run all over. So therefore, Rakshamsi, that is Asuraha, Bhitani, Santaha, therefore Bayena, Kim Kurvanti, Trastani, Te Sarve, Trastaha Te Sarve, Te Dravanti, Te Gachanti, Jangamanti, Sarvaha Dishaha, they run in all directions, afraid of you, because getting frightened that you will punish them, because they are Rakshasa, the Dharmikaha. Because yada yada yadharmasya glanirvavati bharata abhyuttanam adharmasya dadatmanam sujamyaham. At least it is said, Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam. That is important. Dushkritam vinashaya. They are dushkritaha. Therefore, bhitani, santaha, dishaha, dravanti, they run in all directions. And siddha sangaha, whereas siddha sangaha, siddhanam is this jnana siddhim praptanam, like Kapiladi Muninam. Te kim kurvanti, namasyanti, namaskurvanti. So therefore, they do namaskara to you and Rakshasa are running in all directions. That is stani, that is proper. Because you are the cause for both fear and fearlessness. You cause fearlessness in good people, fear in people who are adharmikas. So you are with the people who are dharmika, therefore they don't have fear. You are with the adharmika also, they are fearful because there is fear of punishment. Rudraha, Rodayati iti Rudraha. That is why Manyaha, Manyase, out of anger he punishes. That is Karmapala. Whoever transgresses the law, violates the law of Dharma. For them, Rudra is the punisher. So it is the law. Bhagavan is in the form of the law. The fire being what it is, if you touch it will burn. That is the law. The same fire gives, in the winter season, gives warmth. The same fire is used for cooking. So you get what you deserve. So therefore it is, Bhagavan is impartial. But this Rakshamsi, the Asuraha, because they are Adharmikaha, therefore they just get scattered in all directions, run away. Whereas people like Kapilaha, Munayaha, they do Namaskara. In the Bhashyakara says, Kapiladinam, Samudayaha, Siddhanam, Samudayaha, Kapilanam, say Namaskurvanti, Sarve Namaskurvanti. Namasyanti is Namaskurvanti. Namasyanti is our word Namasyanti. Namasyanti is equal to Namaskurvanti. What is Namasyanti? How will you love Namasyanti? Namsyate, Namsyanti, Namsyati, Namsyataha, Namsyanti. Namsyanti is there. Nam plus Ya plus the Namasyanti. We cannot question Vyasacharya. Arsha Prayogaha. Sarve Namaskurvanti. Siddha Sangaha. Tvam Namaskurvanti. That is Stani, that is proper. That is proper. Stani is Avya. Yuktam Ityartaha. Continuing the next shloka. Kasmachatena namerannahatman
कस्माच्चेन
gariyase brahmanopyadikartre
गरीयसे ब्रह्मणोऽप्यादिकर्त्रे
anantadevesha jagannivasa
अनन्तदेवेश जगन्निवास
त्वमक्षरं सदसत्तत्परं यत्
त्वमक्षरं सदसत्तत्परं यत्
कस्मात् ते न नमेरन् Kasmat Panchami Kutaha na Nameran. Why they will not do Namaskara? Panchami Kutaha. Kasmat, therefore Eto. Why they will not do namaskara? Kasmat etoho te na nameran. Nameran is Ashirling. Namaskuriyu. Nameran. Namaskuriyu. We have to make it a namas because Nameran run is this Atmanepada. We have to make it Namaskuriyu. Nameran is called Bashikara in the Bashim said Namaskuriyu. Name Yugu Ityartaha. Otherwise. Kasmatre Namaskaram Namaskuriyu. A Mahatman Sambodhana. Atma is Antakarnam. Antakarnam is Mahat, big. It means the one who has got Vishala Hridaya. A Vishala Hridaya. Tasmat Kutaha Etoho. Why not? Te Tubhyam Gariyase. Gariyase is Gariyas. Gariyas is which is superior. Gariyase. So it is Yasun. Guru Taraya. Guru Taram. Gurunam Guruhu. Gariyase. Sreshtaha ityartaha. Gariyase is Guru Taraya and Yasun Pratyaya. Ishtan is Tama. So here it is Yasun. Gariyase. Guru Taraya. Guru Taraya Tava Tubhyam Kim Kasmat Na Nameran Kasmat Na Namaskuriyu. Kasmat Na Namaskuriyu means Akshepate. It is not a prashna. They will do Namaskara. Kasmat Na Namaskuriyu. Why should all these beings, they do Namaskara to you? For Arjuna says they all do Namaskara because you are alone in the form of everything. And that Namaskara, it is because of surrender, understanding that the will is nothing compared to the total. Compared to the total, the individual is infinitesimally small. Therefore, acceptance of the Lord, accepting the Lord in all its aspects, creative, destructive aspects. So they surrender the will at the altar of the Lord. Therefore, why not people will salute you, do Namaskara? It is natural. A Mahatma, a Mahatman, a Vishwarupa. It's apt Sambodhana because the topic is Vishwarupa. So he is in the form of the Vishwa, the Jagat. Therefore, a Mahatman. Gariyase, Guru Tarahatvam. And Brahmanahapi Adikartre. Adikarta. Adihi Karta. Karta is the one, the creator. Adikarta is Brahmaji, Adikarta. So Adikarta, Adibhutaya Kartre, Janakaya, Pitamahaya, Adikartra, Brahmanaha api Adikartre. Brahmanaha is Brahmaji. Brahmaji is Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbhasya Brahmanaha Shashti Bhakti. So Brahma is Hiranyagarbha. Who is Hiranyagarbha? Samashti Sukshma Sharira Abhimani Atma. That is Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbhasya Adikartre. The father of the Brahmaji or in the Hiranyagarbha. So it is generally we say Brahmaji is Pitamaha. Pitamagasya Pita Prabhitamaha. Father of the father. Father, grandfather, father of the grandfather. Prabhitamaha. Adi Bhutaya Kartre. Brahmanaha api Adi Kartre. Who is the Karta of Adi? Adi is the Janakaha, the Brahma. That is Pitamaha. Pitamagasya api Pita Kaha Prabhitamaha. So Prabhitamaha. Adi Karta. So why? Because Brahmaji has come from whom? From Vishnu. from the navel of the Vishnu. So Vishnu is Adikarta. So Brahma Devanam Pratamas Sambhabhuva Vishwasya Karta Bhavanasya Gupta. So Brahma ji came, but before came means must have come from someone who is a Pita. He is a Prabhitamaha, that is Vishnu. So Brahmanaha api Adikarta is the Lord of even, the father of even Brahmaji, that is Vishnu. So Brahmanaha api Adikartre, 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 Adikarta, that is to the Chaturthi Bhakti, to Adikartre, Mama Namaskaraha. Adikartre, Mama Namaskaraha, iti. Sarve Kimartam, Katam na Nameyuhu, na Nameran. Nameran is equal to Nameyuhu. Nameran is, it is Atmanepadi, but Namdhatu is Parsmepadi. Therefore, Nameyuhu. The Nameran is equal to Nameyuhu. You have to take like that. Brahmanaha Adikartre, Kasmate Nameyuhu, Ye Mahatman. And you are Gariyase. Gariyase, Brahmanaha pi Adikartre, Kasmat te na Nameran. So you can see Namdhatu governs Chaturthi. Therefore, Gariyase, Brahmanaha pi Adikartre, Kasmat te Tubhyam. Te is Tubhyam. Te, Chaturthi. Therefore, te, Gariyase, Brahmanaha, Adikartre, all are Chaturthi, Sampradana. Karmana yam avipraiti. Karma is Namaskara. Namaskara is meant for whom? For the Lord. Therefore, Lord is sitting Chaturthi. Te, referring to Tubhyam, to you. And you are Gariyaha, Adikarta, Tasmai. Therefore, Tubhyam, Gariyase, Brahmanaha, Adikartre, Tasmat, Kutaha, na Nameran, na Nameyuhu, Namaskaram, Namaskuryuhu, Ye Mahatman iti. And Ananta Devesha. As I said, the chapter is good for grammar analysis. And here it is Tuti, therefore it's good to know the grammatical aspects of the shloka. Ananta, Antaha Navidyate Yasya, Anantaha. Anta is the end. Na Antaha Nasti, Shunya Hanta Shunyaha ityartaha. Antaha Navidyate Yasya, E Ananta. Devesha, Devanam Ishaha, Devesha, Shashti Tatpurusha, Devesha. Jagannivasa already we saw. Can be interpreted in two ways. Jagataha Nivasaha, Jagannivasa. Jagataha Nivasaha, Jagannivasaha, or Jagat Nivasaha Yasmin Saha, Jagannivasaha, Hey Jagannivasa. So one who is the Adara of the Jagat. Jagataha Adaraha Jagannivasa. That can be taken. Or Jagat is the Nivasa in whom the Jagat resides. Jagannivasa, Sambodhana. Tvam Aksharam. You are not Kshara, you are not subject to destruction, imperishable. Akshara Brahma Yogaha, we saw already. Adibhutam Adidevam. You are Aksharam. You are Paramam. Aksharam is Paramam. Utkrishtam. Not subject to change. Not subject to Avyayam ityartaha. Aksharam. Doesn't undergo any change. Asti jayate vaddate viparinamate apakshiyate iti shadvikaraha nasti. Sharaha na vidyate yasya. Aksharam. And tvam sadasat. Sat asat. Yat sat asat. Tat param yat. Sat is sat. Asat asat. What is sat asat then? Sat. Here. You need to understand what is sat asat. Sadasat param yat. Sadasat param yat. So, the sat is vyaktam, that which is manifested. That's called sat. That is karyam ityartaha. Vyaktam. That, what is vyaktam? What is manifest? That is sat. How do we take this meaning? I don't take this meaning. Bhashyakara says, in the Bhashyam, Sadasat param, there it is. Bhashyakara and Tikakara also says, sat is vyaktam, that which manifests. That is sat. Then Asat is that which is Karanam. Asat is Avyaktam. So Vyakta Vyaktam. Murta Murtam. That is the meaning. Murta Murtam. Sarvam. Murta Murta means everything is covered. Karya Karana, everything is covered. So everything is covered. Tvam. Sarvam Tvam Eva Asi. So Vyakta Avyakta. And you above that. Sata Sataha. Sato Sataha Param Utkrishtam. Param Yet. You are Yet Param. Sadasata Yet Param Tatutvam. So you are the you are param. You are both the cause and the effect. Vyakta as well as avyakta. Karana as well as karya. Therefore you are above that. You are limitless. Param yata means you are limitless. Purnaha ityartaha. Tat param. Sataha asataha param utkrishtam. That param brahma tum asi. Brahma is neither karanam not karya. The Karanatvam is attributed to Brahma from the standpoint of Jagat. The Jagat is Karyam, Brahma is Karanam. And this Purushakyam Brahma Nirgunam is Sadasat Param. That is Tvam, Aksharam, Nirgunam, Uttamam, Brahma iti. So therefore, Yata Vyaktam Tatutvam, Yata Avyaktam Tadapitvam, Sadasat, Sadasatam, Sad Asadbyam, Tabhyam, Param, Prakrishtam, Yat, Aksharam Brahma, Tatutvam, E Hananta, E Devesha, E Jagan Nivasa. All are stuti, praising the Lord. So Sadasat Param Yat Tvam iti. Paramartataha, Sadasatoho, Param Aksharam Tvam. So you alone are known by Veda Vidaha, Veda Vidaha Vadanti, Tameva, Tattvam Eva, Na Anyata iti. Then the next shloka. Tvamadidevah Purushah Puranaha.
Madideva Purusha Puranaha.
Tvamasya Vishwasya Param Nidhanam.
त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं विधानम्
Vedasi Vedyam Cha Param Cha Dhama.
Vedasi
आसि
Vedyam Cha Param Cha
परं च
Dhama.
धाम
Tvaya Tatam Vishwamanantarupa.
Tvaya
त्वया
Tatam
ततं विश्वम्
Vishwamanantarupa.
अनन्तरूप
Vishwam Anantarupa. Anantarupa Sambodhana. Tvam Adidevaha. Tvam Adidevaha Jagataha Srashta Tvam. Jagataha Srashtrutvat. Adidevaha. Adidevaha means the first and the foremost. Who is that? Brahmanam Pratamassambhabhuva. So Jagat Karta, Jagat Srashta. Adidevaha. So you are the Adideva. Adihi cha aso devaha Adidevaha. One who is at the beginning as a cause. And he is Devaha. Devaha, Adihi is one who is at the beginning. Devaha is Divyati iti Devaha, that which shines from the Divdhatu, which shines. Bhati. Natatra Suryo Bhati Nachandra Tarakam. That Bhati, Swayam Jyotihi Bhati, that is Devaha. So therefore, Adihi cha aso Devaha, Adidevaha, Karmadarya. Not Adehe Devaha, no. Karmadarya. Karmadari Samasa. Tum Adidevaha. You are Adi, that is before the creation who was there. Before the Srishti comes, Brahmaji alone. Therefore, Adidevaha, Adibhutaha, Sarvasya Jagataha, Karanabhutaha, Srashta, Tvam Eva Asi. And Tvam Purushaha. Purushaha, Purnatvat Purushaha. Or Puri, Shete iti Purushaha. What is this Puri? Not Puri, Puri. This Brahmanda is the Sharira of the Lord. This Brahmanda. So Brahmanda Sharire. सर्वभूतानां शरीरे अंतरात्मना शेते इति पुरुषः वर्तते. शेते is sleeps but not literally sleeping, it is वर्तते इति पुरुषः. सर्वभूतानां शरीरे अंतरात्मना वर्तते. ब्रह्मांड शरीरे अंतरात्मना वर्तते. पुरीशेते इति पुरुषः. विसे पूर्णत्वात् पुरुषः. पुरीशेते इति पुरुषः. पूरयति, सर्वं पूरयति इति पुरुषः. We can give व्युत्पत्ति in so many ways. पुरुषः, one who pervades everything. पूरयति सर्वं इति पुरुषः. And पुराणः, पुरापि नवः पुराणः. One, who is Purana, but still is Nava, always fresh. It means Yata Abhavat Purvam, Tata Eva Idanim Api. It means it doesn't undergo any change, changeless. He is changeless. The most ancient means it has should have become old. Jirnaha Idanim, na. It is same. Pura api Navaha Puranaha. Puranaha is Chirantanaha. As it was before, so it is. It means it doesn't come into being, doesn't grow, doesn't decay. Therefore, Chirantanaha, Chiranjeevi, Anadihi Anantaha ityartaha. Tvam asya is Vishwasya Jagataha. This Characharatmakasya Jagataha Nidhanam. Nidhanam is Nidiyate. It's a beautiful word, Nidhanam. Nidhanam is support. Nidhanam is support. Nidiyate, the one who supports. Nidiyate Jagat, Yena, or Asmin. This Jagat is supported by Nidiyate, Asmin. This Jagat is Nidhanam. So Nidhanam is that which the support of the entire Jagat. Jagataha Adaraha. Jagataha Adaram. Jagataha Adaram, therefore, that is Nidhanam. Nidiyate. Asminiti Nidhanam. That from which everything has come, that which everything sustained, and finally unto which everything resolves. Therefore, Adaram is a support. Support of the entire Jagat. So that is Nidhanam. So Nidhanam, Tvam, Param Nidhanam, it means Param is Utkrishtam, Prakrishtam, Nidhanam, Characharatmakasya Jagataha, Tvam, Prakrishtam, Nidhanam, iti. Then Tvam Veta, Vetasi Vedyam cha Parandhama, Tvam Veta, Tvam Vedita Asi, Tvam Sarvasya Asya Vishwasya Veta Vedita Asi. You are the Veta, you are the Veta, you are the knower. You are the knower, and Vedyam, what is to be known, the object of knowing, that also is you. So the Veta is Tvam, Vedita is Tvam, Vedyam, that is also you. Vedyam with plus Yat Pratyaya, Argharte, Resha Tisarga Prapta Kaleshu, Argharte, Yogyarte, use Yat Pratyaya, Vedyam, Vedanargham, that which deserves to be known, or that which is known, that is you. And you are Param, Parandhama. Paramdhama. Dhama is the abode. Sadma ityartaha. Param is Prakrishtam. Parandhama. It means Paramam Padam. Tat Vishnu Paramam Padam. In Kathopanishad we saw. Paramam Padam. Parandhama. Dhama is Napumsakalinga. Tvam Parandhama. Pratama Ekavachanam. Parandhama. Parandhama means it is to distinguish from the knower and the known. Knower and known belong to the Vyavahara. Parandhama is total, absolute. With Maya, you manifest in the form of this Bhoktra Bhogya Prapancha. Bhoktatam Bhogyam. When without Maya, when minus Maya, then what you are Parandhama, Swa, Brahmani, tishtati, in your shine in your own form. That is Parandhama, that is the abode of Vishnu, Tad Vishnu Paramam Padam. That is Paramam Padam, that is Moksha. Moksha Padam ityartha, Parandhama. And Tvaya, tatam, tatam is tandatu. Tvaya tatam, by which you, everything is pervaded. Tandatu, tan plus ta, tatam. Tatam, gatam, natam, tatam, by which everything is pervaded. What? Vishwam. Tvaya Vishwam Tatam. Vishwam Napumsakalinga, therefore Tvaya Vishwam Tatam. Kartari Tritiya. Tvaya. The entire Jagat is Tatam pervaded. Tvaya Tatam. Vishwa. Vishwa is Vivida Pratyagamyam. It's Vishwa which is known, which is in the form of various Nama Rupa, very variegated way it is manifest. That Vivida Pratyagamyam, this Vishwam Jagat, Tvaya Tatam pervaded by you. Hey Ananta Rupa. Rupa of the Lord is Ananta. This manifestation in the form of this Nama Rupa is Ananta. We cannot count. Aparichinnam it is. Countless. That is why Sagastra Shirusha Purushaha. Sagastra Sagastrapa. Sagastra is only Upalakshana. Uncountable. Ganaitam na Shakyaha in the form of so many names and forms, infinite. Even that if you count, but you cannot know the nature, the truth of the Lord. It is Parandhama, above that. Sat Asadhyam. Param Yatatat, Tom Aksharamiti, Purashloka. Arjuna, praise the Lord. Therefore, Tvaya idam Vishwam Jagat Vyaptam Purayitam. Pervaded by you, the entire Jagat. Iti, you can see the Prarthana. Bhagavan. Arjuna, he does Prarthana, prayer. Then the next shloka, 39. Vayur Yamognir Varunash Shashankaha. Prajapatistam Prapitamahascha.
प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च
Namo Namaste Stu Sahasrakritvaha.
नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः
Punascha Bhuyopi Namo Namaste.
पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते नमस्ते
Tvam Vayuhu Shanno Mitrasham Varunaha Shanno Bhavatvaryama Shanno Hindro Brihaspatihi Shanno Vishnu Rurukramaha. Namaste Vayu Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi. Tvam Vayuhu. Vayu is Pratyaksham Brahma. Therefore Tvam Vayuhu. So not only Vayu. Vayu stands for all the Panchabhuta, all the elements. Tvam Vayuhu. You are the Vayu. So you are the Vayu means the previous shloka it said that you manifest in the form of this entire Jagat, various forms. Forms and formless. Forms are supported by you and formless also. Therefore Vayu, which is formless, doesn't have form. Therefore Vayu, that is you. Stands for all the Panchabhuta. Murta Prapancha as well as Murta Bhuta as well as Amurta Bhuta. Tum Vayu means Tum Akasha, Tum Agnihi. Everything is you. Like in the Ganapati Atharva Shesha Upanishad, the chanting class we saw. Tum Brahma, Tum Vishnustum, Rudrastum, Indrastum, Agnistum, Vayustum, Suryastum, Chandramastum, Brahma Bhur Bhuvaswarom. Same thing. Tum Vayuhu. Tum Yamaha, Yamaha Antakaha. Antaha who puts an end to life, the Antaka of the Jiva, the Pranis. Antakaha, Yamaha. Yamaha is Yamaha only. Yama is the son of Vishwavan, Vishwavat, Putraha Yamaha. Vivaswan, Shamitam. In the fourth chapter, when the Brahma with with Sampradaya, when Bhagavan presented, Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavan Ahamavyayam Vivaswan Manive Praha. The Vivaswan is the Vivaswan Vivasvat. Pratipadikam Vivasvat. Vivasvat Putraha is Yamaha. Son of Vivaswan is Yamaha Kalaha. Therefore, Vivasvat Putraha Kalaha, time Tameva. So Kala is an aspect of the Lord, and that is the Lord. Then Agni, fire. So Vayu, who is Agni, also is mentioned. Analaha, Varunaha. Varunaha is Vayu, who is the Varunaha is Vayu air. Varuna is rain. So Varunaha, Varuna rain stands for the Devata. See, Vayu means we have to take the presiding deity of the Vayu, Prana, the presiding deity of all. So Vayu stands for Vayu Devata, Yama, Agni Devata, Varuna, and Shashanka is moon. Shashanka is moon. Therefore Chandra Devata. You alone in the form of all the Devatas. All the Devatas and Prajapati here also. Hiranyagarbha. Prajapati is Hiranyagarbha. Prajapati is Hiranyagarbha. He is a Pitamaha. That is Brahmaji. And Prapitamaha is Prajapatehe Pita. Hiranyagarbhasya Brahmanaha api Janakatva. Pitamagasya Pita. That is Pravitamaga. Tomasi, you are. So you are everything. Te Tubhyam Namo Namaha. Te Tubhyam Sagastra Kritvaha. Sagastra Kritvaha means Sagastra Varam. Namo Namaha is only 2 times mentioned, but it says Sagastra Kritvaha 1000 times. Namo Namaha, Namo Namaha. Iti Punah Punaha Namaskaram Karomi. Namaskaraha Astu. Namaskaraha Bhava Tava Astu. Namaskaraha Astu iti. Sagastra Kritvaha. Bhagushaha Namaskaraha Kriya Bhyasa Vritti Garanam Kritva Suchi Uchyate. Kritva Suchi is a pratyaya. Adita pratyaya. Sagastra Kritvaha Kritva Suchi. Kritva Suchi is a pratyaya. Bhagushaha, that is in the meaning of many. Kritva Such pratyaya is used. And it is, I think it's avyayam. So Kritva Sucha, Kritva Suchaha, Sagastra Kritvaha. In Tadita we will see. So Namo Namaste. One Namaha is repeated enough. Namo Namaha 2 times Vipsa. And not only it is just 2, it is 1000 times. 1000 is only a number. It's not just exactly 1000. Thousands of times. Even thousands of times, if you say it is limited. Therefore, he says again and again, I do Namaskara. That shows the manifestation of Bhakti of Arjuna for the Lord. So that shows how much Shraddha and Bhakti the Vishwarupa has invoked in him. So therefore, not what he could do. He just can do only prostrate surrender. Nothing else. How much ever he praises, it is limited. Kaika, Vachika, Manasa, not satisfied. Therefore, he says, Punah Punaha, again and again, just surrendering. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do also. That is the condition of Bhakta Arjuna. Now Arjuna has become a Bhakta. Doesn't know. Therefore, it's Punaha. Again, he says, Punascha Bhuyo Pi Namo Namaste. 4 times Namaskara and Sagastra Kritvaha 1000 times. So it means unlimited Namaskara. Unlimited Namaskara is not possible, but at least in words he say. So Punaha Bhuyo Bhuyaha. Bhuyaha Bhuyaha Pi Varam Varam Namaskaram Karomi Aham. Te Mama Namaskaraha Te Tava Astu iti Sagastra Kritvaha Sagastra Varam Namo Namaha iti. Continuing further, I think we'll stop here. 48th shloka we will see in the next class. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti Divyai Stavaihi Vedai Sangha Padhakramopanishadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyanavastita Tadgatena Manasa पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। धन्यवादः।
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ.